was your question?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So, I noticed that you have a doctorate in
Yes.
chiropractic.
Yeah.
And lately, I've been watching all these videos on YouTube of people getting chiropractic adjustments, and it's satisfying for me to watch, and it looks really satisfying for them to get those adjustments.
Yeah.
And I was just wondering if you do that stuff, or why not, or
Okay. Yeah.
if I could get an adjustment.
Yeah. No, I appreciate it. I don't adjust anymore. One reason is because when you don't do it anymore, you lose it. So if I did adjust you, it would be sloppy.
Oh, yeah.
But second, I don't get adjusted. I don't want to be adjusted. It'll cause my body more harm. And also people with disc conditions and other spinal conditions, it's going to put more stress and load on those damaged joints. So when it comes to the mechanics of our spine is meant to do certain things, mainly transmit forces and be stable, while our hips and our shoulders are ball and socket joints, which are meant to be mobile. So if our spine is meant to be stable, forces that are really abrupt rotational forces or going flexing and rounding over and over again are just putting a little bit of excessive stress on the spine. So it's not the worst thing in the world to get adjusted once in a while. Maybe I compare it to deadlifting with bad form 5 reps at 95 pounds. So that's not going to kill somebody who can deadlift 350 pounds, but I wouldn't recommend that somebody do that, once a week forever, just because that stress is going to add up and you're going to wear and tear the joints of the spine maybe in 15 years when it normally would have happened 40 or 50 years from now.
Yeah.
So that's...
So you're saying like long-term chiropractic adjustments if you did it on a regular basis. That makes sense. It's just wear and tear.
I don't have any research to support this. I'm just going off of physics. I'm going off mechanics. The spine is not meant to do certain things. We have you touch your toes for that testing here, but you touching your toes 10 to 20 times a day will have a cost of putting excessive stress on your low back. So we always need to weigh what is the benefit of what we're trying to get versus the cost of doing said thing.
Yeah,
So
no, you know what?
why.